Welcome to our review of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that's currently making waves in the aerial photography world. If you're on the hunt for a drone that delivers both exceptional quality and great value, the Mini 5 Pro should be on your radar. This drone stands out with its advanced features, starting with a cutting-edge camera system. Equipped with a 1-inch sensor, it captures 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, providing unparalleled visual clarity and detail. This means you get vibrant, high-definition footage with every flight, making it ideal for both professional projects and personal use. The Mini 5 Pro also boasts a generous 8 GB of internal storage. This built-in capacity allows you to store hundreds of high-quality photos and videos directly on the drone, eliminating the need for additional memory cards and making it more convenient to use. Another impressive feature is its extended flight time. With up to 40 minutes of continuous flying, you have ample time for longer shooting sessions without interruptions. This is particularly beneficial for capturing detailed aerial shots or video footage without the constant worry of running out of battery. The drone's enhanced low-light performance is another highlight. It reduces noise and minimizes artifacts, ensuring that your footage remains clear and high quality, even in less than ideal lighting conditions. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro offers a powerful combination of advanced features, impressive storage, extended flight time, and excellent low-light performance. If you're looking for a drone that delivers on both quality and value, this model is definitely worth considering. Advanced Camera System. First up is the Advanced Camera System. This drone comes equipped with a powerful 1-inch sensor, which is a significant upgrade from many other models. What does this mean for you? Simply put, it means you'll be capturing stunning 4K images at an impressive 60 frames per second. This combination ensures that your visuals are incredibly clear and detailed, making every shot look professional and polished. Internal storage. Next, let's talk about internal storage. This drone includes 8 GB of built-in storage. That's enough space to hold hundreds of high-quality photos and videos right on the drone itself. This feature is incredibly convenient as it means you don't need to worry about carrying extra memory cards or external storage devices. Extended flight time. Moving on to flight time, this drone offers an impressive 40 minutes of continuous flying. This extended duration allows for longer, uninterrupted shooting sessions, which is a huge advantage for capturing the perfect aerial shot or video. Whether you're working on a professional project or just enjoying a hobby, the extra flight time ensures you can get the most out of each outing. Low-light performance. Now, let's discuss the drone's low-light performance. One of the standout features of this model is its ability to perform well in various lighting conditions. Thanks to improved technology, it reduces noise and minimizes artifacts, resulting in high-quality shots even when the lighting isn't perfect. This makes it a versatile tool for capturing stunning visuals, whether you're shooting at dawn, dusk, or in low-light environments. Price. When it comes to pricing, this drone is in the range of $700 to $800. Considering the advanced features it offers, this price point provides exceptional value. You're getting a high-quality camera system, ample storage, extended flight time, and excellent low-light performance, all at a competitive price. User-friendly design. Let's not forget about the design. This drone is crafted to be user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. The intuitive controls and seamless user experience mean that whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, you'll find it easy to operate and enjoy. Exceptional value. In summary, this drone combines cutting-edge features with affordability, offering exceptional value for anyone interested in aerial photography and videography. Its advanced camera system, extended flight time, and low-light performance set it apart, while its price makes it accessible without compromising on quality. To wrap up, this drone is a fantastic option for those looking to enhance their aerial shooting capabilities. With its impressive features and great value, it stands out as a top choice for capturing stunning visuals from above. If you're in the market for a new drone, this one is definitely worth considering.